Good morning. It is November 22nd, I think. So I just got back from the library because I had to upload a video. It's called How My Mom Feels About Me Moving Abroad. So go check that out. It's a really good one. And honestly, after watching it again, I grew a respect for my parents overnight, because I didn't understand how strong or how courageous you have to be to let your child go abroad and do all these things. I thought about it from that perspective yesterday, and I was like, wow, my parents are really strong. So go watch that video. Right now I'm headed back to my parents' camper to pack up my bags, and then we're going to be headed to San Francisco. I'm probably not going to vlog much of that because it's just drive. You know how that goes. But yeah. And you know what else? I watched my other video, how my fears about being Black and living in Asia video, and I already thought about it from a different perspective. So I thought about it from the perspective of, me going into their culture. It really truly is about me learning about how to live like them. And I think them being curious about Black people is something that comes along with accepting them for who they are. And I think it would be a good opportunity to, I guess, give them a good first impression of what a Black person is. Or, I'll do my best. It's not for me to speak on behalf of the whole Black community, but I can only do my part. But I think it's also important to note that I have the right to feel emotionally tired of doing that, because, it's not something I have to deal with on a daily basis. And it's also not, it's a lot for one person too. You know what I'm saying? It's I'm representing a whole group of people. It makes me feel better about it when I think about it from that perspective. So yeah. All right, let's get this day started. So I'm at Olive Garden with my mom and dad. This is my last meal of choice. What up, parents? So dad, I've already interviewed mom. How do you feel about my move to Bali? You guys differ in opinions very much. How do you feel about it? No feelings? Feelings?
Your mom is the nurturing aspect. I'm more disciplinarian.
Disciplinarian?
Yeah.
I don't need discipline.
Huh?
I don't need discipline.
You got discipline.
Right.
You already got your morals now, so you can free reign.
Right.
No? You feel comfortable believing I am, what's the word I'm looking for? Pleased that you are seeking your passions and unrestrained in your
Yeah.
sense of adventure.
Yes. You guys think I'll ever get tired of it though?
Get your best life. No, you'll know what's out there. A lot of people don't even leave out of Charlotte. So.
That's true.
No, I'm very proud and very happy for you.
I'm excited. Good morning. Good morning. It's time to go. We're getting ready to go to the airport. What time is it right now?
It is 8:13.
8:13. We have about 1 hour until we leave the airport. We're going to use the airport shuttle to get to the airport. Okay, here's my travel outfit. I have on some leggings, a hoodie, have a shirt on under here, hat with my hair pulled back, tables with socks, protection. All right, Mom.
Hi.
Day of. How you feel?
I'm okay right now.
I'm gonna be back home probably sooner than later.
I know. Still don't mean it won't be sad.
My mom has agreed not to cry until she gets in the car. On camera, I need you to say yes.
Yes.
Now we're at Wendy's in the airport, about to have breakfast. I just checked in my bags, and it's getting real. I don't want to be sad on Thanksgiving, though. Don't make it seem like a sad thing.
What's that?
That I'm leaving.
It's not sad.
Yeah, it's not sad.
It's not a sad thing.
Yeah, it's not a sad thing at all.
I'm happy. You happy?
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
The monster.
Coffee. I'm the coffee monster. You know you take that first sip of weed in the morning when it's cold. That'd be good. I'd be talking to my little friend, he'd be like, we want to do this. I'd be like, listen.
So I just said goodbye to my mom and dad. It all happened really fast. So yeah, like I was saying, I kind of got like choked up. Yo, so I'm editing this video, right? And then I look back and my footage is gone. Maybe it's for the best. I was crying, so that's it for this video. It's just me crying and getting on a plane, so I don't really think you're missing out on much. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.